Hey, it's dude. That's the crew, and it's winter storm,
2025.
like super winter storm.
Yeah.
2025. You can come crew with us too. You hear the bird? Funnel stays, crew. I don't know what kind of bird that is. It flew into the light. It's in there. Another amazing adventure, right? And it's another snow day. Blizzard. I didn't get any part of the blizzarding part. It's still gonna blizzard some more. A lot more, actually. Today's Wednesday. We're gonna get snow all the way to maybe early morning Monday. There's gonna be a little break tomorrow, but about every hour we're supposed to be getting an inch. That's what was said. I don't know if that's what's gonna happen. This is life. This is crazy. Yeah. Wild. Well, bigger flakes are starting to fall now. Again. 26 degrees. Not bad. It's not crazy cold. Tire pressure still being dumb. I put air, I promise. And the windshield wiper. Yeah, don't bug me about that. I keep forgetting. I know as of late, some of these adventures, they're over several days. And sometimes on some of these, I think like the pizza one, it's not consistently like the day after or something like that. Yeah, I've just been real busy. Yeah, that's why kind of the plan is maybe on some of these like to record the day, right? And then I just keep living my life. I keep going. And then I realize, oh, dang, I didn't share this. And then I might get a clip of that. And then 2 days might pass. And then I go, oh, no, I'm sorry. It's not that I forget about you. It's not that. It's just that I always think that you're all with me. There at the moment, I got paint all over my hand. I just feel as though you are all with me there, so there's no need for me to record, right? Don't think that it's because I'm forgetting about all of you. I'm not forgetting about a single one of you. It's just that I think you're right there with me, so then that's why I forget to record. I'm sorry. We're sliding. We're sliding. Whoop, whoop. Uh-oh, uh-oh. We're doing all right. We're doing all right. We're sliding. Sometimes some of these hills are a little crazy. Or when you're coming like this to another car, you know you have control. Well, at least, I mean, I know I got control of my car. The problem is trusting that the other person coming the other way also knows how to control theirs. But it's doing the snow thing. It's doing the winter thing. Let me try to slide myself back into my side of the road. Oh, slide. Oh. I know a lot of people might be nervous in these moments when you're driving through this, but I love this. This is awesome. I used to do snowy drives up a mountain, so like now I'm just doing it in the city, town. It's a whole lot easier. I'll just shut up because I don't know what's probably going to happen in the next 15 seconds, right? It's blizzarding now, though. Again. Don't look bueno with the streets. Look at all that. Come on. Catch it. Catch traction. Come on. You got it. There it is. Oh, there it is. This road right here. What is this one? 113th, I believe it is. These next 3 parts, maybe the next 2 miles, mile and a half, might be a little tricky. And these roads, just these turns, that was the mildest out of all of them. The next turns up ahead are pretty sharp. Hence why there's probably a big old line behind us. bus coming our way. If you can see that. Another great, fun, exciting adventure. Everyone who doesn't live in this area wants to know about northern Indiana weather. Want to see the snow, right? And I saw a car over here on the left side going east one time in that ditch right there. It was not snowing, it was not raining. It was just a foggy morning. And I remember thinking, dang, if that car slid into that ditch on a not crazy weather day, I wonder how it's going to be right now. Well, it's like this. Not trying to ride on the bus right now, but it kind of slowed down a lot. Run! Get him! Yeah! Get that snow.
Got the handles? Okay, hang on.
Oh, yeah, there he goes. Yeah. Oh, 1, 2, 3.
Ready?
Go fast. Wow. Yeah. Bye.
Hold on to the handle.
Hold on to the handles, buddy.
You gotta throw the snowball. Oh, you're eating it. Oh, is it good? Mmm. Yeah. Where? There he goes. Why are you playing with it? You don't fall either.
Go over there.
It's.
Man, it's
Watch it, Pops. Watch it. It's crazy. Dude. Don't do that. Yeah, heck yeah.
like right here.
All of a sudden I see, yeah. I see you.
I literally slid.
I just see you disappear behind the car. What the heck happened?
I heard you scream.
There they go. They're plowing. That one's throwing salt.
These guys are gonna be out here all night.
I bet. It's pretty crazy. Okay, he made sure he gave me the trash. Uh-oh.
Sorry, Paolo.
Up. Yeah! Oh, nah. Nope.
What are you doing here?
Did you just give up? There he goes. Dude, remember when we were out here playing with a drone?
Yeah.
And it was like crazy, like dark, cloudy?
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's right.
And then that was the same day when the tornado came through here. That was crazy. Well, here it is. Here it is. We've all been curious. How's this going to look when there's snow?
Oh, the dome?
No, like just the trail, you know?
What it looks like? Yeah.
Yeah, here it is.
Fun fact.
Fun fact?
At night,
Yes.
when it's super dark,
Yeah.
when it snows like this,
Yeah.
it's the best time to walk on the trail at night because everything is, because the snow is white,
Yeah.
so it lights everything up, so it's not as dark.
Yeah.
Is it when there's nothing? It's really dark and you can't see anything, so it's hard to
Yeah.
navigate. I walk with my flashlight on my phone,
Mm-hmm.
but like tonight, if I were to walk, it's maybe a little. I mean, it's darker than this, but you don't need a light
Yeah.
because you have the light. It's crazy.
Look at me, true Midwestern. I don't have 5 jackets on. I just got 3.
Yeah.
I don't got 5 pants. I got 4.
You know what they call this?
I don't.
A winter wonderland.
Ooh. Where your heart's dreams continue to live and fly, like the sound. Oh wow, there it goes. The sound of a flying eagle. Just looks cool. The lights back there at the fee with the snow falling.
Okay. But then you see how it looks cloudy out in the distance?
Yeah,
Because it's snowing. That's dope.
it's insane. My brother was just asking me, not just now, when we first were coming. You know, one of those where I've repeated many times where he asked, Isn't it crazy where you live in a place where it snows? Like, there's no need to go out, you know, drive up
Well, but here's the distinction.
anywhere.
You live in a place now where it snows enough that instead of going somewhere where it snows like this, you live in it.
Yeah.
So you can sled, you can snowball fight, you can build snowman, like that kind of snow. It's not dusting, it's snow.
And then go right back inside and have yourself a nice, fresh cup of hot chocolate.
Yep.
Cafecito. Wow. Yeah. Storms are coming, Annie. Better get home. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Wow. Yeah, you can't see any of the sidewalk at all. This is very movie.
Dude, it's not even 6 yet. Like,
He said, nah, I'm good. Not today. It looks cool against the car lights.
right?
Those are good moves.
Thanks.
Yeah, there they go.
Wow.
Good thing there's not like a whole bunch of snow where it would. Can't see much. Not even where the middle of the road is. We do these adventures for you, crew. Specifically for you. I told them, you better make sure it snows. I want to show some snowage to the crew. We've gone roundabout. These are fun in the ice and snow. Oh, no, not that. There we go. There we go. Yep. Yeah. That's right.
Day 2.
You got about 2 more days left. The end of Friday. Well, it's kind of snowing right now. A little bit. Friday night. Today's Thursday morning. But Friday night, Saturday into Sunday afternoon. Some more snow is going to be coming. But the dude that comes to plow the snow, he did it. I just dropped off Jason at school. On snowy days like today or icy days, they'll have a 2-hour delay. There's only been one day where they had a snow day. Day. Just one snow day so far. And 2 days of e-learning. They've had more e-learning days, but 2 days of e-learning because of weather. They've had more e-learning days, but just 2 of those have been because of weather. This just looks awesome. But I told all of you, this hasn't tripped me out for years and years. Just living life. But in the snow. How cool does this look? It's a whole parking lot with snow. It's street, busy intersection on Highway 30, US 30 and Washington Street. You know, people are just living their lives. People are going to work. People are doing errand stuff. And it's in the snow. This is wild. It is so cold. It is so bright out here because of the snow. You gotta wear sunglasses, that's for sure. My eyes are tearing up. Alright, well, it says snow or the storm. Part 2 is going to be starting soon. But right now, let's go eat. This is where we're coming to eat at Santa Fe. Oh yeah, salsa. Alright, well I didn't show you anything of the food. Well, first of all, look at that. That's going down right now. Isn't that crazy? But this is a churro cheesecake.
This.
How is that?
What does this taste like?
Churro? Cheesecake?
Like,
Oh my gosh, I barely realized how Bundy's. Oh my gosh. That's like an ice cream taco salad. And the baby's having some. I thought that was another.
yeah.
Oh, give me that one.
This one mine.
Oh, that one, huh? Oh no, the baby. Hadouken. Oh, quick. There she is. Oh, she opened her eyes. Alright, here it is.
I thought it was gonna be like freezing cold.
I thought it was gonna be freezing cold too. It's not crazy freezing cold. It's not bad. Whew.
The leather. Hey.
Oh no, that's not good. Dude, this is crazy.
Tomorrow it's supposed to get worse.
I know. Wow. Oh, now it's hitting right to my face. Get in the truck. Oh, get in the truck. It is crazy.
Can you see the lights? Looks like Silent Hill.
Well, Sissy is mad. Sissy is not. Hi! Come here! Come here! Come here, puppies. Come here! Come on. Let's get inside.
Come on, let's run.
No.
Go outside.
It's like, no.
Yeah, tomorrow we'll come outside and play, okay?
It's always the roundabouts. The roundabouts are what's tricky. And I'm going to move over on this side because just to be out of the way. Strax Van Helsing. Strax Van Halen. Call it Van Helsing, call it Van Halen, whatever you want. It's Strax no matter what.
Right.
We could just lay right here in the street, dude. Don't worry about it. No cars are gonna come, right? Just do some snow angels, have our own snowball fight. Definitely not on my side, but it's following those tracks. I gotta move over because the car's coming.
Day 3.
Alright, it's tonight. The next day at night. I didn't record anything during the day because just didn't want to. I'm wearing some snow pants that my brother-in-law Bundy got me. They call them coveralls here, but I'm kind of doing like a new snow pant goofing. Know what I mean? I'm just taking a walk just because over here. I gotta go shovel some snow. I'm just prolonging that process. It was supposed to snow all day today, starting like 8 in the morning. That did not happen at all. So now it's gonna start snowing at 1 in the morning till tomorrow like maybe 11 or 12 p.m.
Day 4.
It was supposed to be snowing since last night. And I kept looking at the time saying when it was gonna start. And it said later and later and later. I don't know if I showed you, or maybe I showed you last night, but you couldn't really see. My brother out Bundy, they got me some snow pants. Well, they got Jason and I some snow pants. They're legit ones. They're all the way up to like right here. New snow pant goofing. But this is the last day of the last moments of this snowstorm that I've been capturing. I think since Wednesday. So it's been an adventure of many days. I mean, there's been, as of late, a lot of those adventures where I'm stringing a few days into an adventure. This just looks so cool. Yeah. Freaking awesome. And the fact that this is our backyard. I want to keep going, you know, not right now, but those other times I want to keep going that way. I just don't, because I don't know. Definitely not right now, because I don't want to do that. But crew, that's going to do it for this adventure, this winter storm here in northern Indiana. Yeah, thank you so much for hanging out with us. You hanging out with us on this adventure, any other adventure, means so much. I know that a lot of these, as of late, hasn't been much other than a lot of this. I thank you for hanging out with us. I really do. There's a whole giant world out there that you could be making your own adventures. You choosing to hang out with us for any portion of your adventuring time, moments, any of that time spent with us. What was that? I just want to be snuck up by a deer. I appreciate you. I really do. I see comments. I promise I do see comments, and I try to get back to you. And there's just so much happening. That's why these adventures as of late have been kind of that, where it's multiple days strung together. It's just because other stuff come up, you know. But I love you, crew. You're all awesome. Thanks for crewing. Thanks for adventuring. On to the next. They're kind of, I kind of said that weird. You got a hair poking out from there, my bad. I just dropped off Jason at work. What the heck? But more like new snow boot. No, wait, what am I saying? It was supposed to